Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes when you are ready. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment. Slowly exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Repeat this deep breathing 2 more times. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Bring your attention to your body. Notice how it feels without any judgment. Start from the top of your head and slowly move your awareness down to your toes. Notice any areas of tension and allow them to relax with each exhale. Gently focus on your breath. Feel the air as it enters your nostrils, travels down into your lungs, and then leaves your body. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Each inhale brings in calm, and each exhale releases any tension. Think about the day ahead. What are your intentions for today? It could be something simple like being present, kind, or productive. Visualize yourself moving through your day with these intentions guiding your actions. Repeat a few positive affirmations silently or out loud. Feel the truth of these affirmations as you repeat them. I am calm and centered. I approach this day with joy and gratitude. I am capable and ready. Picture a positive outcome for your day. Imagine yourself handling tasks with ease. Visualize any specific goals or events you have planned, seeing them unfold successfully. Spend a minute thinking about what are you grateful for. It can be something big or small, a person, a situation, or simply the fact that you have a new day ahead of you. Feel the gratitude in your heart and let it fill you with warmth. Begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice any sounds around you and the feeling of the ground beneath you. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Sit quietly for a moment, noticing how you feel. Carry this sense of calm and clarity with you as you begin your day.